Hi guys, if you are facing this problem, Windows 11 auto logging, checkbox is missing from Netplwiz. Here's the fix. Just click on Start button and then click on Settings. Now in the left menu, click on Accounts in the right side, scroll down and find Sign-in Options. Just click on Sign-in Options. Now, scroll down and find this option. For improved security, only allow Windows. Allow sign-in for Microsoft accounts. On this device, just turn this feature off, okay? If it is on, just turn this feature off. Now search Netplwiz and click on Add PL page. And now uncheck this option. Okay, click on Apply and click on, and just enter your password, okay? Click on Apply, click on, okay? And now restart your computer. And now this option, use this option normally. Now if this does not work, let's move to method 2. And that is what you have to do. You have to search Registry Editor, click on Register Editor, click on Yes. Now you have to go to this path. I have given this path in the description of this video. You can directly copy this path from there and just paste it in the address bar. Hit Enter, and now once you reach here, you will find this item device, password list, build version, double click on it. Make sure the value data is 0 if it is not 0. Just change it to 0. Click on OK. Now restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it, guys. Please do like the video to support.